In this video, I will share with you top 5 best indoor pizza ovens in 2024 based on features, performance, and overall value. Number 1. Breville Smart Oven Pizzaiolo Pizza Oven. This high-end beauty boasts a sleek design and impressive technology. The Pizzaiolo features a series of pre-programmed settings for different pizza styles, making it ideal for beginners. It also offers a manual mode for experienced pizzaiolos who like to have full control. During testing, the Pizzaiolo delivered consistently crisp crusts with excellent charring thanks to its high-powered heating elements. However, its price tag is a significant investment, and its larger footprint might not be ideal for kitchens with limited counter space. Number 2. Presto Pizzazz Plus Rotating Oven. The Presto Pizzazz Plus offers a budget-friendly option for aspiring pizzaiolos. This countertop oven features a rotating stone that ensures even cooking, and its compact size makes it a great choice for smaller kitchens. While it won't reach the scorching temperatures of some high-end models, it produces decent results for those looking for a more casual pizza experience. Keep in mind that the rotating stone can be a bit tricky to clean, and the overall build quality might not be as robust as some competitors. Number 3. Cuisinart Indoor Pizza Oven. The Cuisinart Indoor Pizza Oven falls somewhere in the middle ground between the Breville and the Presto. It offers a larger cooking surface than the Presto and boasts a higher maximum temperature, allowing for a more pizzeria-like experience. During testing, we found the pre-programmed settings to be helpful, although some users might prefer the greater control offered by manual modes. The Cuisinart is a solid choice for those seeking a balance between price, performance, and features. Number 4. UniVolt 12 Electric Pizza Oven. This innovative offering from Uni stands out for its versatility. The UniVolt is specifically designed for safe indoor use while still reaching impressive temperatures for authentic pizza cooking. We were particularly impressed by its rapid preheating time and the even heat distribution it provides. However, the UniVolt is another pricier option, and its design prioritizes functionality over aesthetics compared to some competitors. Number 5. Chefman Indoor Pizza Oven. Another budget-friendly option. The Chefman Indoor Pizza Oven is a basic countertop unit that gets the job done. It features a baking stone and reaches temperatures suitable for creating a decent homemade pizza. Our testers noted that achieving a truly crispy crust can be a challenge with this model, and the overall heat retention wasn't as impressive as some of the other options. However, for casual pizza nights on a budget, the Chefman offers a simple and affordable solution.